Hello everyone, my name is Bahadur Mori and I am an English and SS teacher in Sahajanand English Medium School at Natejuna. And today we are going to take chapter number 1, Heritage of India, Standard 10. It's a very interesting chapter and regarding to our exam it's very important and also for our knowledge, right? As we know that what is meaning of heritage? Heritage that means सांस्कृतिक, right? जो सांस्कृतिक हेरिटेज होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया। सो हमारे इंडिया के कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं, कौन कौन से स्मारक है, मोन्यूमेंट है, दैट ऑल आर इंक्लूडिंग इन द हेरिटेज वर्ड्स। सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन एवरी लाइन in this chapter. Very interesting and very knowledgeable chapter because we are living in India. So what is our culture, what is our traditional, what are our heritage, that we should know, right? So this chapter about that. So please concentrate and listen very carefully and use your hands free. So now I am going to start the chapter line. India is a land of ancient culture. That means India, a land of ancient culture. As we know that India is a very ancient country, right? So India having a ancient culture, सांस्कृतिक बहुत पौराणिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा है हमारे इंडिया का. It's a very long lasting culture that we having, right? Ancient Indian scripture Vishnu Puran state, here are the state, that means some slogan in the Sanskrit language. उसमें दिया गया है एंशियंट इंडियन स्क्रिप्चर जो लेख होता है उसके अंदर क्या है, दैट वी आई गोइंग टू रीड. उत्तर यस्य समुद्रस्य हिमाद्रस्य चैव दक्षिणम वस्त्रतः भारत नाम भारत यत्र संतति. व्हाट डू दिस मीन? हियर द आंसर इज दैट इट मीन्स इंडिया एक्सटेंड फ्रॉम द हिमालय इन नॉर्थ, यानी कि इंडिया है जो फैला हुआ है हिमालय से नॉर्थ तक, हिमालय में नॉर्थ तक, टू द इंडियन ओशन. कहाँ तक? इंडियन ओशन यानी हिंद महासागर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नॉर्थ टू साउथ तक इंडिया एक्सटेंड फ्रॉम हिमालय टू इंडियन ओशन, फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ. इट इज सेड दैट न्यू डिसेंडेंट्स आर कॉल्ड इंडियंस, राइट? The new descendant, that means the all are the people who are living in this area, this is called Indian. उसको हम भारतीय कहते हैं. Those who are living from Himalaya to Indian Ocean, those are called Indians. Descendant यानी उसके नागरिक, उसके everyone that is called Indians, right? So how they are called India? These are भारतीय. In the beginning of any auspicious ceremony, right? In a beginning of any auspicious ceremony, Bharatvarsha, Bharatkhanda, Jambudvips and Aryavat etc. ये जो सारे वर्ड्स है, these are were the name of India. इंडिया इसी से जाना जाता है. द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द एनी ऑस्पिशियस सेरेमनी, ऑस्पिशियस सेरेमनी दैट मीन्स शुभ, कुछ अच्छे काम की हम शुरुआत करते हैं तो उस टाइम पे भारतवर्ष, भारतखंड, Jambu Dweep also called Bharat names, right? India is also known Jambu Dweeps. Aryavarta, that means Arya people who are living in this. These are the name of the India like this way. Whenever we are starting our good hopes, a good auspicious, a good ceremony, that we have we just beginning with the Bharatvarsha, Bharatkanda, Jambu Dweepa, Aryavarta, that traditionally. Words are used while taking resolution, right? Words are used while taking resolution, that are the resolution. Our country is gifted with the natural boundaries, Himalaya in the north and sea in the east, west and south, right? So our India is gifted, our country is gifted. Obviously India is gifted because India have only the country have a more sea coast area. See, everything, every kind of atmosphere that we available in India. See, north in a Himalaya, south in a Indian Ocean, east also ocean, right, and west also ocean, Arab Sagar, right? So in the circle with the seas and the head of India there is a Himalaya, and so that this is the total diversity are in India is we can see in India. So it's a very great country India. So we can say that our country is gifted with the natural body. हमारे countries को gift मिला है जो natural body का. What are the natural body of India? So your answer will be Himalaya in the north, and sea in the east, west in south. Three are sea, west is south. Right, these are the natural boundary of India. Clear है? What are the natural boundary of India? North in Himalaya, south in Indian Ocean, and east in the Bay of Bengal, and west in Arab Sagar. These are the our Indian oceans, our Indian natural boundaries. From all over the world, different countries mesmerized by the Indian prosperity and came to trade, settle and mingle with Indian culture. देखो ये बहुत ही बढ़िया लाइन है. In this line, I want to explain the very easy language that many countries people came to India, right? Different countries, Mughals, Angrez, French, many of Arab traders, many of came to India and settled down over here. Arya, Dravid, other peoples, we will learn about it. They are settled down over here and mesmerized by the Indian. जो बाहर के लोग थे वो इंडिया में mesmerized हो गए. दैट मीन दे अट्रैक्ट हो गए, इनएक्ट हो गए, राइट. तो इंट्रैक्ट हो गए और उसके साथ कनेक्टिंग हो गए. देन ही जस्ट और वो इतने अट्रैक्शन हुए इंडियन शीन द इंडियन प्रोस्पेरिटी एंड ऑल दैट, and they settle down here, they trade here, they settle down here, then mingling over here. Mingling that means they mix over here. यहाँ से बाहर से लोग आए, यहाँ पे बिजनेस किया, काम किया, सब कुछ किया और यहाँ पे आके घुल मिल गए. ड्यू टू द म्यूचुअल एक्सचेंज मेनी चेंजेस हैव बीन सीन इन आवर कल्चर. देखो आपको पता है दैट वी नो दैट देर आर द डिफरेंट कास्ट इन आवर कंट्री, डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स, डिफरेंट ट्रेडिशनल, डिफरेंट कल्चर्स. Everything is different in our country, that we know, right? So due to that mutual exchange, that means a huge exchange, mutual exchange, internal exchange, many changes have been seen in our culture. In the Indian culture we have seen many culture. Gujarat celebrate Garba, right? Maharashtra celebrate Ganesh Utsav, Punjab celebrate Lavani, right? And UP celebrate AC festivals, South call many other festivals, right? So we can see diversity in festivals. We have seen diversity in culture, speak, language, accent, belief, worship method, traditional method. Everything changed in India, right? Everywhere we can feel it. There is something different language, different culture, different belief in India. Why? Because of the many of the countries from the different countries, people came to India, settled down over here for the trade and for the business, and they attract to the Indian prosperity, and they settle down here, and they mingling in India, and they become like Indian, right? So now you and me and many of, we don't know where we from, right? But we come to here, we settle down, we started our business, and we mingling in India, right? So this is how India is create. How? So very interesting chapter this one. Due to the mutual exchange, many changes have been seen in our culture. In this way, our heritage is transferred from the generation to generation, and it's continuously progressive. देखो इसकी वजह से हम जान सकते हैं कि इंडिया है पूरी तरह से ट्रांसफर होता रहता है, चैप्टर स्टेप बाय स्टेप, रूटीन वाइज, जनरेशन टू जनरेशन. So it's really very interesting chapter this one. So now I am going to take by step. I hope you got the definition of the what is exactly meaning of this chapter. ये चैप्टर में क्या है? ये चैप्टर में ये हम पढ़ेंगे कि इंडिया का जो हेरिटेज है वो रीच कैसे हुआ, इतना वेराइड कैसे है, डिफरेंट कैसे है, डिफरेंट कास्ट, क्रीड, जो डिफरेंट एरियाज, लोकेशन, सब कुछ है. It's a very interesting chapter, right? So I will tell you which one is the importance line and which one is importance point. So you just do the underline, right? So now first point is India, location and area. So in this paragraph, what is the location and area of India? This is here. We have already studied in the standard 9th about the present area and location of India, right? What is the location of India? And that we already know. It was very vast and ancient time, right? And now area wise it stands on the 7th rank, population wise on the 2nd. So please underline this one, right? Area wise India stands on 7th rank. Area wise India stands on 7th rank, and population wise India stands on 2nd. This is very easy paragraph. Second point is rich and varied heritage. Sorry. Rich and varied heritage. So rich and varied heritage, very actually this is a point very important to us. Our motherland has bestowed rich and varied heritage to us so as to the world. Our motherland, that means India, is a, India land has a bestow that means उस पे आशीर्वाद है, उसका गिफ्ट है, ऑनर है, for rich and varied heritage. So as that the world, right, right, to us, so as to the world. That means like the world, other words, we have the gifted of the comparison to other words. We have bestow, we have honor, we have gift, that we have varied heritage comparison to other country. Indian culture have been trade oriented and people loving, right? So Indian culture have been very oriented, very flexible, right? And it's a it's a very peace people in India. Indian people is very peace and loving people, that we all know, right? We are Indian, we know we love to peace, right? So what is the meaning of that? Sat, Chit and Anand. These three words we follow are realized from Indian culture, right? Satya, Shanti, Ahimsa, right? These are the words that we use. Satya, Chit and Anand, right? These are realized from the Indian culture. Please, which three words we can realize for a peace? So these three underline Satya, Chit and Anand are realized from Indian culture. Beside this, Indian culture prospered with the mutual exchange of different cultures of other countries which came to India and settled over here. As I told you, India also, we can feel at the different culture, different different belief and all that, because of the mutual exchange happen in India. Because different people came to India, settle down and settle down here and they mingling into India. Right, then we can feel the differences in the in Indian culture. They have accepted the various of non-violence and peace which have been adopted and admired by the world. People right from the beginning of Indus Valley and civilization till today. See, they have accepted value of the non-violence. Those who are came to India and settled down, they accepted the value of peace. They accepted the value of peace and prosperity, and they settled down here. They adopted, they accepted, and they admire it. What is the importance of peace? And world also admire to Indian peace. And they believe in the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam like this way. People right from the beginning, right? So people right from the beginning of Indus Valley. Hindu, that means Sindhu Valley. सिविलाइजेशन यानी सिंधु खिंड की संस्कृति जो बोलते हैं ना, सिंधु खिंड की संस्कृति, दैट इज इंडस वैली civilization till today. We are till today in the called the Indus Valley civilization. Have made our country rich and wealthy with their intellectuality, ability, talent and skill. So which civilization have made Indian rich and wealthy? Which civilization have made India rich and wealthy? So your answer will be Indus Valley civilizations have made Indian culture rich and wealthy, right? How? With their intellectuality, ability, talent and skill. Clear? Innumerable scholars, thinkers, artists, artisans, sage, saint, scientists, historians have contributed to the growth and development of our culture. Obviously, in any country, if any country want to develop, if any country want to progress, so they need to scholars, thinker, artists, right, artisans, sage, right. So a very wise man says that means saint. Everyone, scientist, everyone need to give his contribution for the prosperity of country, for the progress of country. Without those men, we cannot progress. Any country cannot progress, because science required in any field, scholar required, artist required, saint required, thinker required, everyone required. Because if they are thinking, they are thought about the future, they change the cultures, change belief, change many things. So in any country develop, scholars, thinkers, artists, artisans, sages, saints, scientists, everyone contribute more, right? So, culture is a sum of habits, value, custom, traditional, and conduct of lifestyle of human. Please underline this one. Please underline. What is meaning of culture? Now your definition is here. culture is culture is sum of habits. Culture is sum of habits. Sum that you know, right? Culture is sum of habits, values, customs, traditions, and conduct of lifestyle of human. Please underline. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? समझते हैं. कल्चर इज सम ऑफ हैबिट्स, जो हमारी हैबिट्स होती है, हमारी आदतें होती है, वैल्यूज़ होती है, जो हमारे रूल्स होते हैं, कस्टम्स हमारी परंपराएं होती है, ट्रेडिशनल जो हमारी मान्यता होती है, हमारी परंपरा होती है, हम कंडक्ट उसको हम लेते हैं, उसको हम ऑपरेट करते हैं, उसको हम चलाते हैं, उसको फॉलो करते हैं, उसको अप्लाई करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, अपने जीवन में, वो हमारा कल्चर होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन आई एम इन वी आर लिविंग इन गुजराती कल्चर, वी स्पीक गुजराती, राइट. we wear Gujarati clothes, right? We play dandiya, right? We like to food, रोटी, डोसा. जो हमारे कल्चर में जो फूड मेथड है, जो हमारे कल्चर की ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है, जो हमारे कल्चर की बिलीफ है, मैरिज स्टाइल है, अरेंज मैरिज है, सोसाइटी है, जो भी हमारा सब कुछ है, जो हम उसके हिसाब से ही चलते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड कल्चर. समझो उसको. जो आपकी जो फैमिली होगी, ठीक है, इसका कोई बिलीफ होगा. अगर आप किसी गॉड में मानते हैं, आप कहते हैं कि इस शाम को खाना चाहिए, इतने बजे नहीं खाना चाहिए, वो आपका ट्रेडिशनल है, तो आप उसको फॉलो करते हैं, तो वो आपका कल्चर होता है. वो लोग जो ज़्यादा फॉलो करते हैं, वो फिर सेंट्रली कल्चर होता है, फिर वो स्टेटली कल्चर होता है, फिर वो पूरे देश में जो कॉमन फॉलो करते हैं, तो वो कॉमन कल्चर हो जाता है. समझ रहे हैं? सो कल्चर दैट मीन्स सॉरी, thread issue, throat issue. So culture is a sum of habit, value, custom, traditional, and conduct. Value, custom, or traditional. Value, custom, or traditional, and conduct of lifestyle. Conduct of lifestyle, right? That lifestyle of human. That is meaning of culture. What proper meaning of culture? A very easy way to, if you understand what is meaning of culture, तो over here, culture mean a way of life. Way of life, that means जीने का तरीका. कल्चर मीन वे ऑफ लाइफ, दैट मीन्स जीने का तरीका. कैसे जी सकते हैं, हाउ वी कैन लिव, कैसे जीना चाहिए, दैट इज कल्चर. कैसे सब कुछ करना चाहिए, दैट इज कल्चर. इट इज मेड ऑफ चेंज दैट अकर इन पब्लिक लाइफ, राइट. इट इज मेड चेंजेस दैट अकर इन पब्लिक लाइफ, सोशल रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस ऑफ डिफरेंट societies. Right, so we can feel the different cultures, way of life in the different society. It is made changes that occur in public life. वो changes होते रहते हैं, occur in public life. Social rules भी changes होते रहते हैं, regulation भी changes होते रहते हैं. different society में different rules, regulation, customs, colors, belief, सबको different होता है. It can be said that culture is a total of habits, value, custom, traditional, and idols leading human to the highest level. So easy language, culture is a way of life. Culture is a sum of habits, value, and custom, and traditional, and conducted of the human lifestyle. That is a way of life, right? I got it. What is meaning of culture, right? So वो चीज़ है जो कल्चर से हम जीते हैं, जो हमने हमारे कल्चर ने, हमारे संस्कृति ने जो हमें दिया है, that is वे ऑफ द लाइफ. हमें कैसे जीना है, कैसे बैठना है, कैसे खाना चाहिए, किसको क्या बुलाना चाहिए, कौन से पहरवेश पहनने चाहिए, विच फेस्टिवल वी हैव टू पार्टिसिपेट, विच फेस्टिवल वी हैव टू नॉट, राइट. सो सम रूल्स, रेगुलेशन, ट्रेडिशनल बिलीफ, दैट इज conducted by the particular society, that is culture. Clear? Now, culture heritage of India. So what is the difference between culture heritage, that we will learn, but here what is the meaning of culture heritage of India, right? Culture heritage of India. Heritage means a value gift from our forefather to us. Please underline what is heritage. Culture, that means way of life, right? Culture is a man-made of life. Heritage means valuable gift from our forefather to us. What is meaning of heritage? Right. Heritage means a valuable gift from our forefather. हमारे जो पूर्वज है, फोर फादर, डेट में हमारे पूर्वज, हमारे एंशियंट पीपल, हमारे पूर्वज है, अवर फोर फादर, दैट ऑलरेडी दे बिल्ट ऑल द थिंग्स फॉर अस. दैट इज हेरिटेज. वारसो, हेयर, जिसके लिए हमने कुछ नहीं किया, दैट वी नथिंग डू एनीथिंग, वी डायरेक्टली गेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर फादर प्रॉपर्टी, राइट. योर फादर गेट his property from his father, right? So father to father, that is forefather. हमारे जो पूर्वज से, हमारे बाप दादा से जो हमें मिलता है वो हमारा हेरिटेज होता है, वारसा होता है ना. So in the like same way India got the heritage, means a valuable gift from our forefather to us. Those things which is done by our forefather, that we getting right now, that is a heritage. So heritage means valuable gift from our forefather. Please underline this one. Indian history is thousands of years old, right? That we all know. We say in a school plays, I love my country, right? Every morning we say in our plays, I love my country and I'm proud of its rich and varied heritage. Obviously, we are proud of it because India is a very varied country. Our have everywhere differences we can see. And with the differences we have a unity. That is unique part of India. With the differently we have unity. In this context, heritage in a precious gift from our motherland to the whole world about the mysteries of human life. We divided our heritage into two divisions. See, now we can clearly feel that in the context of the heritage, precious gift from our motherland, हमारे देश को precious gift we got right from our forefather, and also all world also got because of our Indian cultures. Very mysterious, very mysterious. That means काफ़ी अटपटा सा, जो काफ़ी राज हो, जिसमें काफ़ी कुछ छुपा हो ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ के जो राज है. इंडियन कल्चर हैज़ अ मिस्टीरियस कल्चर्स. दे कैन गाइड होल वर्ल्ड, बट वी आर still not find proper what is meaning of Hindus Vedis. Still though many are think about it, what exactly why they follow these rules, behind the science, behind the belief, many things. This is the other chapter, other things I just want to tell you. But we discuss about further that part, why the Indian culture is very mysterious. We divide now, I beg to point, we divide our heritage in two divisions. So Indian culture, Indian heritage divided in two divisions, which we will learn about it, right? Natural heritage of India and culture heritage of India. Natural heritage of India and culture heritage of India. Indian heritage divided in two parts, natural heritage and culture heritage. What is meaning of natural heritage and what is meaning of culture heritage, right? That we will going to learn. Simple language, in the natural heritage we can get from the nature. In that case we not put effort to get everything that given by the nature, that is called natural heritage. जो हमें नेचर से मिलता है, हवा, पानी, राइट, जो भी नेचर से मिलता है, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, ग्रेन्स, ट्रीज, एनिमल्स, all things that provide minerals, right, sources, resources, those provided by the nature, that we not put anything, that already nature already nature built it, made it and ready for to us. लो भाई यूज़ करो, हमने आपके लिए बनाया है ना, नहीं वेस्टेड इट, दैट इज डिफरेंट मैटर. वी ऑलरेडी टॉट अबाउट इट, नेचुरल डिजास्टर एंड resource. In the natural resource chapter we already talked about it, right? So natural heritage, that means given by the what is the, now I'm going to learn point wise. So natural, what is meaning of natural heritage, that you got, right? And culture heritage, that means that given by our forefather. Culture is a way of life, right? And culture heritage, that means those things which is given by our forefather, right? The valuable gift which is given by our forefather, that is called culture heritage. See, heritage means a valuable gift from our forefather. Clear it? In the very easy level. Now first point, natural heritage of India. What is meaning of natural heritage of India? The result of close relationship between nature and environment and human life is natural heritage. Please underline, the easy way language life. The result of close relation between nature, environment and human life is natural heritage. द रिजल्ट ऑफ क्लोज रिलेशन, दैट मीन्स जो जो परिणाम है क्लोज रिलेशनशिप का, किसके बीच में, नेचर एनवायरनमेंट, नेचर के बीच में, एनवायरनमेंट के बीच में, और ह्यूमन लाइफ के बीच में जो क्लोज रिलेशनशिप होता है उसका जो रिजल्ट है दैट इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल हेरिटेज। द रिजल्ट ऑफ क्लोज रिलेशन बिटवीन whom, बिटवीन व्हाट, नेचुरल एंड इन्वायरमेंट। ह्यूमन लाइफस्टाइल ने नेचर के साथ तो एनवायरनमेंट के साथ जो क्लोज रिलेशन बिल्ड किया उसकी वजह से जो होता है, रिजल्ट आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल हेरिटेज। द रिजल्ट ऑफ क्लोज रिलेशन बिटवीन नेचर, environment and the human life, that is called natural heritage. Please underline this one. Natural heritage of India is a unique and varied, that we know, right? Natural heritage of India is unique and varied, that means everywhere different is we can see. Feature like mountain, forest, desert, river, stream, seas, tree, plants, creepers, flower, leaves, insect and varied landscape, wide range of minerals, vegetations, plant, animal. These all are the different features of Indian natural heritage. What are the different features of natural heritage of India? So these are your answer. Which are the natural heritage of which are the different feature of natural heritage? Which are the different feature of natural heritage? So your answer will be that the different features of Indian of natural heritage of India are mountain, forest, desert, rivers, stream, seas, trees, plant, creeper, flower, leaves, insect and varied landscape, wide range of minerals, vegetation, plants and animals. These all things that we can see, we can everywhere see: insect, trees, mountain, forest, minerals, right, creeper, plants, flowers, leaves, insect, stream, river, desert, everything in the Indian available. Snow mountain available, desert available, other mountain, valley, rivers, right, stream, sea, right, ocean, everything in the available landscape, right. These are the our different features of the natural heritage of India. We are the children of nature, right? We are, please make a bracket. We are the children of nature. We, you, me, all the world, whole world people are nature, children of nature. So it has made a beautiful arrangement for our food. We are the children of nature. It has made a beautiful arrangement for our food, water, fresh air and dwelling to cater our all need. देखो, हम नेचर के संतान हैं, इसकी वजह से नेचर ने, हम नेचर के संतान हैं तो नेचर हमारे पेरेंट्स हुए ना। वी आर द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ नेचर, हम नेचर के संतान हैं तो नेचर हमारे पेरेंट्स हुए। तो समझो, इसकी वजह से जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स हमारे खाने का ध्यान देते हैं, हमारे कपड़े का ध्यान देते हैं, हमारे रहने का, हमारी हम जो अगर बीमार पड़ते हैं तो उसके लिए हमारी दवाई का, हमारी जो भी नीड है वो फुलफिल करते हैं हमारे पेरेंट्स। इज इट ट्रू? उसी हिसाब से हमारे पेरेंट्स कौन है? हम सबके ऑल ह्यूमन लाइफ बीइंग के जो पेरेंट्स है वो है हमारा नेचर। तो नेचर में कौन कौन है? तो वो चीज़ जो प्रोवाइड करता है, हमारा जो नेचर प्रोवाइड करता है वो हमें, वो इस तरह से ब्यूटीफुल अरेंजमेंट किया गया, दैट इज कॉल्ड वेजिटेशन, दैट वी कैन ईट समथिंग, प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, राइट। So it is has made a beautiful arrangement for as a food, water, we can food, without water, without fresh air, oxygen, and dwelling, that means our house, shelter, to cater of all needs, right. that means the cater, that means वो केयर कर सके, उसका संभाल सके, उसका सर्व कर सके, वो हमें नेचर दिया है। फूड, वाटर, फ्रेश एयर एंड dwelling to cater, this is gifted by the our nature, because we are the son of nature, we are the children of nature. That's why, so it has made a beautiful arrangement, for our food, water, fresh air and dwelling to cater all our needs. We treat nature with respect and faith, right. We treat nature respect and faith. The example of our close relation, we the Indian nature, the respect always, हम nature को भगवान मानते हैं, that we all know, right. So in the Indian culture, so we treat nature with the respect of faith. The example of our close relation with the nature nature are stories of Panchatantra. So which are the example इंडियन कल्चर का नेचुरल और हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया का जो क्लोज रिलेशन है उसके एग्जाम्पल कौन कौन सा है. विच आर द एग्जाम्पल वी कैन गिव फॉर द क्लोज रिलेशन बिटवीन द नेचर. इंडिया दूसरे वर्ल्ड से हम नेचर को अलग तरह से देखते हैं. हम पूजा करते हैं वृक्ष की, एनिमल्स की. दैट आवर डिफरेंट विजन फॉर द सीन टू द नेचर. सो इन द पंचतंत्र यू कैन फील द स्टोरी इन द पंचतंत्र. Jatak Katha hai, Jatak tells, and Buddhist religions. In these three stories, we can feel the love with our nature. Our classical and folk music, several ragas in based of prahar, period of days. These all are the just collected with the nature. हम nature को भगवान मानते हैं, उसकी पूजा करते हैं. We believe in the nature, faith, we worship it. Right. Similarly, Ayurveda, Unani and nature cure are also totally based on nature. So these are also Ayurveda related to our cure our illness. This is regarding issues. So we can also available in Ayurveda, Unani and nature cure also totally based on nature. Please underline this one. Ayurveda, Unani and nature culture are also totally based on nature. These are the solution of our meditation. Meditation, right? This is related. So we have to post this video now on this point. We have to put on this point this video because next part we will be meet, and according to our timetable we upload next part on YouTube. So please stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. I hope you got every point. What is meaning of natural heritage of India? Clearly, I just explained every line, right? So we will start the next part in the next video. Right, so please stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Have a nice day.